Hey guys, it's Sean. We are at 3033 Hardy Road in White Pine, Tennessee. This is a beautiful home, huge outside front porch. I'm going to show you that. It's kind of hard to tell there with all of that, but I'll give you a wide angle look. Beautiful home, beautiful views from up here, and the key is there's 5 acres of property. Part of the acreage is on the side, all the way around to the back. Great spot for horses. The owners, of course, do have horses here. So let's take a look inside. As soon as we enter this room, we see that it's our great room. And basically here we've got hardwood floors. This entire home was built by the owner, so he knows everything about it, as well as from design to structure, everything. And you see beautiful ceilings, natural wood, as well as natural wood flooring. Just a quick peek, we've got a nice little closet there as you come in as a foyer closet. The great room is huge. You've got all your major appliances here, as well as a very large eat-in table. So you've got lots of room for seating. This is configured for 6, of course, right now, but it could even be more. This is a neat area that's been used for decor and so forth by the owners up above. For Christmas time, put a tree up there or other decor items. It looks really neat at night. I'm just gonna take a quick peek outside and see if I can use my zoom properly. And you'll see the backyard. So we'll do a walk around the house as well. There's our little friend, the horse, back there having a nice day in the field. This is about a 5-acre tract total, probably about 3 acres non-wooded, and then there's a creek back there. Get my finger in there, but there's a creek at the back. It's a wet weather creek, but it's pretty consistent. And then it goes a couple more acres back into the woods. So let's continue our tour inside. Gonna go down the hallway, and we're gonna see hallways configured. This is some storage here. Of course, you've got your heat and air ductwork there. A lot of smart technology in the home, so you're going to see things like automated lights and so forth, smart door locks, as well as smart thermostats. I'm going to take a look in the first room here on the right-hand side. This is our full bath. It's a 2-bath home, and you can see here, you can see me in my lovely t-shirt, but these floors and these cabinetries have been updated since the home was built. And let me show you inside. The shower and so forth is in great shape. No problems there. All right, let's continue down the hall to the door on the left side. It's our first bedroom that we're going to look at. And this is the young lady of the house's room. And you can see there's a closet over there on the other side. We're going to walk in there. Pretty good sized closet. It's a sliding mirrored door, and we can look inside. Lots of room in there. And coming back up, there's ceiling fans, I believe, in every bedroom as well. Now we're going to go on our next bedroom on the left. This is the young man of the household, and you can see his TV up there. Good spacious room. Of course, this is only a twin-size bed, but a full or possibly even a queen would fit just fine. Good sized closet over in the corner. We'll take a peek in there as well, just so you can see a lighted closet, good sized space. And now let's go to the master bedroom. Oh, before we do that, we'll look in the hallway here. We've got there we go, a little linen closet there, pretty good size. Master bedroom is rather large. This is a full size or a queen size bed in here. Could do a king if you wanted, I believe. It's really that big. I got a window in here as well. Closet's going to be right over here to your left, and we're going to go into the master bath. Master bath is also updated. New flooring, cabinetry is modernized as well. And you've got over here a shower and a jacuzzi tub. So again, better tile, upgraded tile from when it was originally built. And then let me show you in the shower. I always like to show that, just so you can see the fixtures are current and they're not rusted or something strange. So full master bath, and it is a double vanity sink, which is absolutely awesome for keeping peace in the house. And here is the large closet. And you can see right here, I'll give you a shot of the floor to see how big it is, all the way up to the top. All right, guys, now we're gonna go back down the hallway. Again, that natural wood flooring here. And we're gonna take a peek outside into basically what has been created as a work office, a work from home office here. And you can see that there's a lot of room. You can still open and close the door, and there's some printers and things around the back side. This is your laundry area. This is effectively, we've entered the garage. When we go through there, we're on the garage side. So concrete floors in here, a stacked unit washer and dryer here, a nice tub laundry sink. Owner has a safe in here. Just a great area for storage, just a bonus area from that perspective. Now we're gonna look out at the garage. Another smart lock here. There's one on the door leading out. There's a man door out here as well as the garage door, but the man door, remember, is in that other room and it has a smart lock on it. Plenty of room here in the garage. It would be considered a 2-car garage. They're probably not using that as now because they've got some storage and so forth over on the sides. It gets a little bit skinny there. This is where your electrical box, cable, etc. comes in. And you can look here, lots of room left on the panel. If you want to install electric car charging or something else, you've got 5 open slots at the bottom. So I hope that this has been a helpful video for you, and we hope to show you more of the outside here in just another section of the video. Thanks for watching. We're going to do a quick walk around the entire home today, and as we come around, I'll be showing you different parts of the home that you might not see unless you drove out here. So we've got a under access to the house right around this corner. Heat and air unit is right here. Your septic is here. These are clean outs, or septic necks as they call them, to clean out your septic system. Good sized front yard, huge backyard, because again, we've got 5 acres of land total. Good old cedar tree right there. Beautiful day out. Good spot to maybe hang a swing. Under that garage door is your access to the downstairs, and that's going to give you crawl space access for working on pipes or anything like that that you might need. There is a layer of plastic down there as well. Siding's in great shape. You can see the owners have really kept great care of this property. You've got a deck here that's coated with the this sort of a plastic type, can't think of the name right now, but a very durable deck surface. You can see here it's been upgraded from standard wood to that polymer wood. And again, back in the backyard, you can see a horse in the distance. This is the double door that we came out earlier in our video. And then we're going to walk around to the back side. See some planting, and you can see the gravel and so forth here. And then here is your garage door on this side. Again, that's a 2-car garage. Again, it's a little tight with everything that's in storage in there. Concrete pad is very good. There's normal cracking that you're going to see here and there, but I don't think that's a problem. Trust me, I have seen some that is terrible. But the control joints are cut pretty liberally here, and then you've got, you know, normal cracking otherwise in there, but it's in really good shape. So you can park a lot of cars out here. One other thing I want to mention while we're in this video, back here there's underground power and water. So if you do decide to have horses like they do, I'll zoom in on that, you can see that you've already got power and water there. So electric fence can be charged from there, or anything else that you might need, shears otherwise, you could plug in out there, and then keeping the water fresh for the animals. So listen, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your favorite realtor. Hopefully that is me, but if it's not, that's perfectly fine as well. They can get a hold of me and get set up a showing for you. So thanks for watching our video. As always, we appreciate that. This is 3033 Hardy Road, and that is in White Pine, Tennessee. Thanks again.